Please follow the provided link to WebTime or visit time.hays.ca. Here you will enter your username and temporary password, which are provided to you by email. Now on the main page, find the Timesheets heading and select Create New. This will open up the calendar for you to select your first day of the workweek. This will create a window for you to input your hours for that week from Sunday to Saturday. Select the days you have worked on the left and input the hours worked in increments of 0.25 for every 15 minutes. Please exclude lunch and other breaks from the total daily hours worked. Save if you want to return to the timesheet later and continue entering hours for that week, or to change hours. Cancel if you do not want to save the most recent action. Submit only when the timesheet is complete. Once you submit these hours, they cannot be changed. After submission, your hours are sent to your manager for approval. You will receive an email to confirm that the approval has been completed. If approved before the payroll deadline, your hours will be processed for payment by that Friday. If rejected, you will receive an email notification and the timesheet will be sent back to your care, where you must revise and resubmit once more for approval. Please be sure to track the status of your timesheet to ensure that it's approved on time.